In this video I'm going to show you how to play the bass line to Ozzy Osbourne's debut solo hit Crazy Train. The bass player on the original studio version of Crazy Train is Bob Daisley. He also played with Gary Moore, Black Sabbath and Rainbow, just to name a few. Crazy Train is from Ozzy Osbourne's Blizzard of Oz solo album. This was the first album that released after he was fired from Black Sabbath. I've made a note-for-note transcription of the original bass line. You can get that for free by clicking the link below this video in the description, and there are copies in the standard notation and tab. The song starts with some stops played by everyone. Once you know these stops, you'll see them again throughout the bass line, so you just only have to learn them once. So this is in A, Crazy Train. These stops start with F sharp. So we've got F sharp, 2, 3, 4, A, E, F sharp, D, E. Okay, so F sharp for a whole bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, half bar of A, half bar of E, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then F sharp again, 1, 2, 3, 4, half a bar of D, half a bar of E. Okay, let's repeat that round and round. 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you're looking at the notation, the last time we play that, we just play. Okay, you just play long notes. D, D, E, E. Then we've got a pre-verse section. Okay, this is the same as the main verse, but we have this each time before a verse. It's just 4 bars long. Okay, with that each time, I'm going to show you that next in the verse because it's the same pattern. And then we're into the verse. Okay, each verse is the same. It's just a 2-bar pattern repeated over and over again. We use open A's like this. And then, okay, we're bouncing off the open A to high A, high G sharp, high F sharp, high E. Okay, those notes. Okay, so that 2-bar pattern. Okay, it helps that we've got an open A there. And we just repeat that over and over, okay? So just get that pattern down with the A, G sharp, F sharp, E, and then you'll be able to play it. You've got to keep that A just going metronomically, okay? When you're playing them on their own, you play them nice and short. Okay, so you just play those for all of the verses. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can do that by pressing the red subscribe button in the corner of the screen. And if you click the bell and select all, then you'll get notified as soon as I release a new video. Then we're on to the choruses. These are a little bit more involved, okay? They start on F sharp minor. Okay, so that 2-bar phrase there. We've got F sharp, E, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D. And we push into that D. A push is when you play before the beat. Okay, so we're kind of instead of it being on beat 1, it's on forehand of the beat of the bar before. Okay, so okay, instead of, okay, we're pushing that. And then we've got this pattern. Okay, it just goes up chromatically each fret. So F sharp, G, G sharp, A, and back down again. But it comes on one and, so 1 and. Okay, I'll just loop that round. Join in with me if you want to. 3, 4. Okay, so there's the first 4 bars of the chorus, and we've got this pattern on A to E. Okay, but we play a short A, the third one. Okay, on that second bar, you could do it as a slide, but it's kind of A to B. It's a fast A to B. Hammer on. Those 2 bars. Okay. So it's smoother when you play it fast, okay? And then we've got F sharps. Now each time Bob plays this one, he puts some extra notes in. So by the end of the bass line, it's okay. It's really fast. You can just play. You don't have to play those 16th notes. You can just play this pattern like that, or these 2 bars are. And then we've got the A to E pattern again. Okay, that you played before, and then we've got a kind of a new pattern. Got that kind of bit of vibrato there. Okay, so that's the same as before, but this time we go to A, not D. A little bend. Do a little bend there. Okay, so the second time around it goes to D. Okay, so that's one of the choruses, okay? It's basically the same each time you have the chorus, but it's all down on the PDF if you want to kind of fine tune that. Then we've got the pre-verse again, verse 2, and then the chorus, which is the same, and then we go into some stops. Now the last bar before the stop's slightly different, okay? Okay, just a slightly different pattern for the last few notes. So the stops are the same as the intro. Remember I said if you learn that in the intro, then you know these other stops, okay? Okay, you've got those 2 more times. So they're just a bit shorter than the ones in the intro, okay, and it's kind of half the length, those stops. Then we've got the guitar solo. This bit's tricky, okay? You can make it a little bit easier for yourself. It's on F sharps here, but it's hard because we've got these 16th notes. Okay, so when I listen to the song, it's actually quite hard to work out what Bob Daisley's doing exactly here. Sometimes he's kind of going like this, like that gallop. Okay, other times he's playing it all the way through. Okay, if you've struggled with that, you can just play. It's just going down the natural minor scale here. Okay, just those notes there. So each kind of 4 bars is slightly different. This is all down the PDF, but slide up to the F sharp. It normally goes to kind of 8th notes for the second 2 bars. On the second line, we've got this riff here as well. Okay. And then It doesn't really matter what pattern you do on those kind of F sharp, E to D. You can do the gallop. That sounds quite good as well. Just kind of see what, if you're playing this live with a band, just see what works there with the drums and the guitar. We've got the stops again, we've got another pre-verse, another verse, another chorus, and then we've just got the outro. These are the stops again. Okay, so it's a bit of a tricky bass line in places. Most of it's quite playable. It's just that guitar solo, especially if you're doing it on the pick. In some respects it's easier if you're doing alternate picking. And it's quite technical, that bit, but you can make it easier for yourself if you want to. So that's the whole bass line. You can get the finer details on the PDF. I'd love to hear what you thought of this video. Let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you've got any other kind of hard rock favourites, let me know and I'll put them on the list. So just leave me a comment below. You can really help me out by liking and sharing this video and subscribing to my channel. And if you felt you got value out of this lesson, you can always buy me a coffee. The details are on the bottom of the screen here, or you can click links in the description. Also head over to my website gbshed.com. I've got loads of bass courses and books and merch and other free bass resources. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Hopefully see you very soon in the next video.